how to transfer money to your Palmpay account, which is the same thing as how to send money to your Palmpay account. And you cannot send money from your Palmpay account to from your Palmpay app to your own Palmpay account. It's not possible. But you can have money transferred from your other accounts like your pay account, your um, conventional bank account. It can be transferred through debit card, cash deposits. Like I said, you can visit a certain Palmpay agent location and deposit cash into your Palmpay account. You can do online payment and your USSD code also to transfer, which is *894#. So that's it. That is how to transfer cash money actually to your Palmpay account. That's all for today. Till next time. Bye.